Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome on my YouTube channel. My channel name is Repairing Tool. मेरे YouTube चैनल को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब करें, साथ में दिए के बेल आइकन के बटन को भी दबा दें ताकि मेरे चैनल पर आने वाली हर नई से नई वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सके। आप मेरे चैनल पर आने वाली हर नई से नई वीडियोस को देख सकें, उन्हें लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, कमेंट्स दें। चलें एवरीवन, बढ़ते हैं आज की वीडियो की जानिब। आज मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ हाउ टू फिक्स इट व्हेन अ मैकेनिकल कीबोर्ड कीज इज़ नॉट वर्किंग। रिपेयर अ डील्स की ऑन योर कीबोर्ड। What causes mechanical keyboard keys to stop working? Mechanical keyboard keys can stop working for many reasons. If the keyboard does not work at all, it's likely to be a connections or driver problems. However, if just one keyboard stop working, like if your a key is not working while the rest work fine, it's more likely to be a problem with the particularly switch. Here are some reasons and that a mechanical keyboard's key will stop working. There is a bad content connections of to a computer. A switch is broken internally. Internally, a switch is stuck. There are drips under the key caps. Poor or broken electrical connections. How do I fix a in responsive keyboard case? If you are having a problem with unresponsive keyboard keys on your mechanical keyboard, then try each of the following fixes in order. If one of these solution does not apply to your specific keyboards, you can skip it. Here how to fix unrespective keyboard case. Unplug the keyboards and plug its back. Doing this usually does not fix when just one key does not work, but it is also an easy fix that takes almost no time. If your keys start working after you plug the keyboard in, you are done. Try a different cables. If your keyboard is connected via physical cables, try swapping to different cables and plugging into a different USB port of your computer. If you are using Bluetooth, try connecting with the cables to see if the fixing the problem. If it does not, then you might have a Bluetooth driver problems. Replace the batteries. If you are using wireless mechanical keyboard that contact over Bluetooth, the connections may be dropping intermittently due to battery problems. Try investing a fresh pairs of batteries and see if that helps. Number 4. Clean the keyboards. The key caps of unresponsive keys may be getting stuck on debris. First, try bowing between the keycaps with the cancelled air. If that does not work, remove the keycaps and below of the keyboards are cancelled air. 5. Blow out of the unrespective which pray to keycaps of the unresponsive switch. Hold the keyboard upside down and blow out the switch using keyboard cancelled air. If that work, you may want to clean the keyboards at the times to avoid similar problems with their switches. 6. Use contact cleaners. Unplug your keyboards, remove the batteries and take the keyboards to a well ventilated areas. Remove the key caps and entrust the contact cleaners nozzles or straws into the streams of the key switch. Apply 1 or 2 squirts of a contact cleaners and work the switch streams up and down and sides of two sides. Then let to the concentrated cleaner drayer before replacing the key place and check if they are key functions. Important, depending on your contact cleaner you use, it may damage your other key space. In the case, you may want to remove all of the keycaps before you attempt the procedures. Only use a contact cleaner designs for the purpose. Thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.